Chapter 2 The Island Home. The next day, when the storm had died down, Crusoe looked for his friends. All he could find were shoes and a hat. He was totally alone. What will I do? He wondered. He decided to see what he could find on the ship. It was easy to reach, now the water was calm. He found a rope hanging down and hauled himself aboard. He was so hungry, he headed straight for the storeroom. To his delight, the food was still dry. I know, he thought. I'll make a raft to carry things back to shore. First, he tied 4 poles together. With pieces of wood fixed across them, the raft was strong enough to stand on. Crusoe found lots of useful things on the wrecked ship. Chests of food, barrels of rum, gunpowder, and guns. He loaded up the raft with as much as it would hold and paddled back to the beach. Crusoe sailed to and from on his raft, rescuing tools, clothes, plenty of wood, and some sails. On one trip he heard a strange noise. Was it a bark? He looked around the ship. Suddenly, the ship's dog bounded up to him, followed by 2 ship's cats. Crusoe was delighted. He wasn't completely alone after all. Soon, Crusoe had enough things to make a home. He found a sheltered spot by a cliff, looking out to sea. Using the ship's sails, he built a tent. Then he built a bigger tent. Then he built an even bigger tent over the top of them to protect it from rain. At the back of the tent there was a sandy cave. If I made the cave bigger, I could use it as a storeroom, Crusoe thought. But he didn't have a shovel. I'll make it out of wood, he decided. He dug up some earth and sand. Soon the cave was much bigger. Pleased with his wooden spade, he made shelves, a table, and a chair.